What does it look like to be an urban national park that is both water-wise and welcoming in a changing climate? Golden Gate National Recreation Area is located in California, a state where our lives and environment are largely defined by the presence or absence of water. California has always been prone to drought, and as the climate warms, we will experience longer and harsher periods of drought, along with more intense rainfall and storms. This weather whiplash means that the amount of water available for ecosystems and people will become more unpredictable, and we risk using more water than can be naturally replenished. Being water wise means rethinking our water systems and where and how we use water. Here at Golden Gate, we are looking at a few different ways to reduce our water use.
In an effort to reduce our water usage here at Fort Mason, we turn the water off along the edge of the gray meadow, and also we try to concentrate on the most usage areas in the center of the gray meadow.
Looking at Fort Mason from above, you can see the difference that shutting off the water has made. Visitors still get a green open space to enjoy, and we don't waste water on less visited areas. At our Crissy Field site, we decided to take it one step further.
Here at Crissy Field, we are reducing water usage by the placement of native plant gardens. We're removing sod areas and replacing them with these plants. These native plants have long thrived in California's coastal areas that have more of a Mediterranean climate, and these plants are already adapted to live in that climate without watering. By expanding this site with more native plants, we give them more room to thrive, more room for them to develop themselves and repopulate themselves natively and naturally. The more areas that we change out for native plants, the more water we have available to use on our lawns, and we can keep more areas green longer. Rather than leaving more areas of open space, these native plant gardens provide habitat for our small creatures, our insects, our other mice and gophers to not live in my lawn and hopefully live in these berms.
As you can see, GGNRA is trying different ways to reduce our water use here in the parks. From simply using less water for irrigation to planting species that don't need as much water to thrive, we want to set an example of how to be water wise. But this is only the beginning. In order to be prepared for more intense periods of extreme weather, we must all work together and think of new ways to conserve our water. By taking actions like converting your lawn to native plants, or using gray water or rainwater to irrigate the landscape, you too can be a part of the solution.